Hello listeners, good day. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new latest technology enterprise POS application I have developed. This is the latest in the business industry. As I speak currently, there are a lot of POS systems running in supermarkets and other business vendors, but I'm giving you an assurance that this solution is one of its kind. Please stay tuned as we do demo to show you how this application's functionality works. Very quickly, I'm going to log in. This is the login page. I'm going to log in first as an admin, the super administrator, where we can assign, register, and do many other things, register sales or sellers and all that, branches and all others. So very quickly, I'm going to log in. For demo purpose, I have created an account. I'm going to use this account to log in. So when I log in, I'm going to log in, then I say, yes, hold on, let's hit authenticating. Wow, this is the dashboard, the super administrator dashboard. Okay, here on this dashboard, we have the today revenue, we have the monthly revenue, we have the total product currently on this application. We have branches, 3 branches, we have sellers, active sellers. This one shows the low stock alert, if there is low stock alert. All right, here we can see the top products. Okay, we can also see the top sellers in the branch or in the system. All right, now this is the dashboard. Now if I go to branch, if I click branch, here we can create a new branch. Okay, add the name of the branch, the address, the email, the manager managing that branch, and the phone number. You click save. Here you can click create a branch. Okay, if there is an error as well, you can click any of this branch and click edit. You can edit that branch as well and save it. Now, a branch that maybe has been closed, you can as well deactivate that branch. Okay, or maybe there's an issue in that particular branch, you can deactivate it. Okay, you can as well reactivate it. That is branch on that angle. Then talking about sellers or staffs, okay, that will manage this. Perhaps you have different branches. Okay, then you are doing employment in one state, then you have to recruit people to manage that. Then you can create users. Come to new users. Okay, if I click here, new users, all right, I'll put the name of the full name of the user, the username, the password, the email. Then I cannot assign that user to a particular branch. These are the list of branches currently. For the purpose of demo, I just created these few ones. Okay, I can assign that particular user to this branch. Okay, then if I select that, then select the row and assign the row, the person is a seller. I will assign the person to be what? A seller. Then I'll click save. Once I click save, that person has been what? Added. Okay, all right. Now that is that on the issue of creating a new staff or user. And as well, you can edit user as well. You can reset the password of that particular user, and as well you can deactivate a particular user who is no longer working under that establishment. Okay, or under you. You can deactivate that person so that he or she can no longer log in. All right. Perhaps if the person maybe is facing query, after that you can as well reactivate that person so that you can as well log in. Okay. Then go back to products. Under products, we have this. We can create new products. Okay. The product name, the selling price, the barcode number. This is the barcode. Yes, this is the barcode number. This solution accept barcode scanner. Okay. The cost price, the unit. Okay. We have different units here. Then we have categories of product. Yes, when you are registering a product, if it is beverage, food, snack, or whatever, you can list them here. Then you can put any few descriptions here. Then I click save. Once you save, the product is added. Okay, you can as well edit any product. You can as well deactivate a product. A product that is deactivated can no longer show on the cart or product list. Okay, then you can as well assign a product to a branch. This is where you have to be very careful. Yeah, it's very, very simple. What you need to do, if this product ought to be assigned to a particular branch, I will just click the product, then select the branches, then I say assign it to another branch. What is the quantity? Initial quantity, I can say 50, then I say assign. Once I click assign, you say product assigned successfully. You see, that product has been assigned to a new branch. So that branch, when they open their application, they will see that product as part of what? The list of products in their cart. Okay, then we come to inventory. As a super admin, you can see all the products that you have added. Yes, all the products. This is where the super admin sees all the products. Then all the sales that is taking place in this application, the super admin as well can see the sales. You see, the person who sell it, the name of the seller, the branch, the time it was sold, okay, the customer, what method did they use to pay? It is cash, the item sold, the total amount, and the total amount paid. You can as well generate receipt here as a super admin. You can generate a CSV file. You can as well generate PDF reports in all the sales. You can filter by date from to, okay, and select the branch you are filtering. Okay, all of this will give you what a statistics of all the sales that has what taken place in this application. All right, we have a report as well. You can filter report per day, per this week, per month, per last year, or you can as well do customized filtering. Okay, you can do customized filtering. Then you select the branch. Then you want to export it on PDF or CSV. You now click generate. This will generate a report for you, a comprehensive report. Okay, then under setting. All right, you have the set. You set the business profile. Okay, yes. For developers or for production, you can as well do backup regularly. Though this system backup your database for you automatically. Okay, but you can as well click this backup manually. It will back up your what database for you and store it for you. All right, that is that on dashboard for super admin. Okay, now let's go back and log in as a seller. Okay, then I have created an account for one of the seller or sales rep. Then I'll say this name, I'll log in as this name. Okay, then I'll say login. Now let me log in. Let's hold on, it's authenticating. Wow, now I've logged in. This is the page for sales rep. Okay, you see it captured the name of the person, Alice Bob. Then location, she was assigned to the headquarters. Okay, now if Alice want to sell, somebody came to Alice shop and he say want to buy, then you click this, the added Coca-Cola, see it has been added here. You can increase the quantity. Okay, this is total price currently. If I increase the quantity, what happen? You see it become the price grand total increase as well. Then I want to add Fanta as well. You see, as I'm adding it, the price is what is also what increasing. All right, I can as well add this. Okay, the more I'm adding it, you see the price is also what added. If I scroll down, what happened? You see there's a checkout button here. If I don't want to check out here, I can as well come to what action here at the top right hand side here. I'll see what checkout. Okay, the checkout button will display. You see, this is the checkout button. This is a dialog box will show. Okay, it gets you all the total of summary or that summary. See the total, see the total, see the total. Then if I click confirm payment, what happened? You say it generates sales successfully, sales completed. Then you can print receipt. If I click yes, what happened? Look at it. Receipt has been generated. All right. This is a very comprehensive standard desktop application. You can use this to manage your sales, manage your supermarket, manage anywhere where sales is being carried out. Okay, there are a lot of functionalities that is embedded in this solution. So if you love this solution and you like it, feel free to hit on my DM and I will send this script for you and tell you how you can customize it to meet your business need on day-to-day running activity. Then if you come back again, you can filter product here. You can filter product. Okay, you can filter product. You see all of this button. You can use it to filter product. If I click all of them display. If I want to filter per name, I can just say Fanta. Only Fanta will display. Okay, so this is very responsive and interactive desktop application. Then mind you, you can as well plug in your barcode scanner machine. You see, if you can check it here. If I connect a barcode scanner machine now, I will now on this. Immediately I click it, then when you take a product and scan it from that barcode, it automatically what add it to cart. Yeah, it automatically what add it to cart like this. All right, so this is how far we can go about this solution demo. If you love this solution, feel free to contact us and we can tell you how we can customize it to meet your business need. Thank you. This is Ojiosador. I remain your friend. Every day we develop solution to meet business need and company organization need, so as to bring technology to your desktop and making life easy with the use of technology. Thank you and remain blessed. Goodbye.